Watson, join me for a commemorative act.
Very much, sir.
Just one brief moment of your time. Mr. So-called Vice President. I have a few home truths to share with you before you get too excited about unveiling anything.
Who are you?
I am Professor James Moriarty. I am not well known, sir, but I like it that way.
I don't remember seeing you on the guest list.
For the very simple reason, sir, that my name was not there. You will, however, if you care to look, find the entry Mr. N. Bonaparte. That is my little private joke, the significance of which will be appreciated by at least some of the more sophisticated persons present.
Have a care, sir. Holmes has warned me about this man. This man is dangerous.
Ah, the monkey without his organ grinder. I advise you, Doctor, to return to your neglected patients, if you have any still alive. Now, I am not going to beat about the bush. This is actually my railway. I specialize, as some will know, kill him. I specialize, as some will know, in mathematical formulae, and I have a new coordinate for this railway. It has grated with me, sir, to listen for the last few minutes to your self-flattering platitudes, deluded platitudes, irritating. This is now the Moriarty Mountain Railway.
Where can we buy shares?
This is the Moriarty Mountain Railway, and it's one dose of MMR that everyone will have to put up with. There were a few members of the railway staff that tried to interfere, and I have to say, my friends over here, step forward gentlemen, were able to deal with them, and I understand that they were beast neatly on the roof of the downward train. Another inconvenience. Yes, the unfortunate employees of the railway were placed on the roof of the downward train, and I suspect they must have fallen off as they crossed the point somewhere near Wengen. Now I wish to introduce you to my brother. He was, as you may recall, some of you, a station master on the Great Western. He is now the new station master of the Jungfrau.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
And in case anybody should doubt it, I have here the proofs of my ownership. This is an ancient charter bearing the coat of arms of the city and Republic of Bern. And it confirms that my ancestor, Engelbert von Moriarty, was granted the right in perpetuity, his heirs male and assigns, of providing passage for reward by horse, mule, ass, chair, wheeled conveyance, or any other means whatsoever over the Jungfrau mountain. And also to enlist the Swiss guardians of the law to enforce these rights, to arrest anybody infringing them, and I am able to confiscate all property of those interfering with my rights.
Rubbish.
Officers, arrest this imposter. Take him away.
Mr. Watson alone.
I'll be jiggered.
There are going to be some...
Well, sorry. It all looks as he's right. We'll have to take you away.
Now there are going to be some changes here. Hang on. There are going to be some changes here. No yodeling on these trains. No carrying of Swiss cheese. No Swiss tennis players. There will be leaves on the line. The wrong sort of snow. And all Swiss will have to travel standing up. What? Don't listen a few times. Now I have shares for sale in my company. Where are the shares? My employees. There we are. Cash only. Or checks payable to bearer.
Cash only.
Preferably within the next 5 minutes.
No, Watson. You will not be triggered, my dear friend. I rather very much think that my friend Moriarty here will be triggered.
So,
Bring our friend back, please.
Yes.
and you persist in persecuting me. You, sir, are a detective with altitude.
You are the one to be let down approximately 12,000 feet.
I hold all the cards on this occasion, Mr. Holmes.
Au contraire. Au contraire. I have suspected for some time that you have some enterprise against the Rail Railway on the occasion of its...
Have a shirt in.
When this charter was submitted to the Swiss authorities, they passed it over to me for detailed examination. Some chemical tests have shown that the ink is manufactured in the Falls Pond roadside. And the manufacturer himself is a close associate of the one present. I rest my case, but as regards the alleged links to the Moriarty family, well, what can I say? I have made some genealogical researches and proved conclusively that you and your brother, your family, are descended from the Dutch and from the Listen above his station. And as for this charter, sir, as for this charter, it's merely borrowed from a distinguished family in Surrey. All this information, sir, gathered it all up, and the Swiss authorities and myself have engaged in this subterfuge to flush you out. And, sir, we have.
So, you have severely incommoded me again. You think, Mr. Oh-so clever Mr. Holmes, that you will beat me. I tell you that you will never beat me. You think that you will put me in the dock. I tell you that you will never put me in the dock. We shall meet again.
Take him away.
We shall meet again.
Take him away.
We shall meet again. Very well. You cannot hold me today. You will regret this. I will. Come on.
apologize for this director's not yet. Let us turn to the celebration of this towering achievement, the Jungfrau Railway, a towering achievement of Swiss engineering. And a timely reminder, despite the best intentions of a disgraced mathematics don, a timely reminder of the excellent relations between our two countries, of Switzerland and Great Britain.
So may we invite you to have the wine of honor? Stand. I give it back to Mr. Simon.
My name is Peter Schneller and change the program a day.
We like it.
Please come on this way, we take a group photograph.
Yes, excellent.